The story of Koul Tools is one of innovation and problem-solving. In 2005, Koul Tools introduced the first ever tool for inserting braided stainless steel hose into AN fittings. The original Koul tool is a capsule with a funnel on the end to feed frayed hose into the fitting. What was once a struggle that often led to bloody fingers became a job that could be accomplished in seconds. The tool was an immediate hit, receiving rave reviews across the internet, and was awarded the runner-up for Best New Product at the SEMA show. In 2014, Koul Tools released the Easy-On Hose Press Model 409 for installing barbed fittings. Constructed of investment cast steel, the hose press contains hose clamps on one end and a vise for fittings on the other. Once the hose and fitting are secured, the hose is then pushed onto the fitting by the patented lead screw drive train. The Easy-On Hose Press is the fastest, easiest, and most ergonomically efficient hand tool available for assembling barbed fittings. In 2015, Koul Tools came out with another first-ever tool with the Surseat lapping tool to repair leaking hard-line connections. A precision diamond dust-coated lapping head literally polishes the flare smooth to perfection. In addition to perfecting newly flared stainless steel, aluminum or copper lines, the Surseat can also rejuvenate the seal on existing brake and fuel lines for restoration projects. In 2017, Koul Tools released Fitting Fixer, the first ever tool that can repair a leaky fitting on the spot. Fitting Fixer utilizes an inverted cone with diamond dust-coated lapping material to resurface the conical sealing area on JIC and male AN fittings. Simply screw the guide over the fitting, attach the mandrel to a drill, and spin it until the surface has been repaired. In 2018, Koul Tools released the Easy-On Hose Press Model 409B. Lighter and more efficient, the 409B model features thrust and ball bearings for smoother operation, a new drive screw and larger nut for improved performance, and a traveling carriage with sealed bearings that rolls on a track for better stability. In the same year, Koul Tools added the nylon fuel line kit as an accessory to the Easy-On Hose Press. With the vise and hose clamps on the Easy-On Hose Press being removable, Koul Tools designed special clamps and fixtures to secure plastic fuel line connectors and tubing for easy installation. Straight, elbow, and union fittings can all be installed with the nylon fuel line assembly kit. In 2019, Koul Tools added the Easy-On Hose Press 454 for installing 1 to 2 inch barbed fittings. It features the same patented clamp and lead screw drive system found on their 409B model but scaled up for larger sizes. Just like the 409B, it is operated with a small impact gun or ratchet, allowing you to do hose assembly in almost any location imaginable. Operating out of Lake Havasu City, Arizona for over 15 years, Koul Tools continues to solve hose assembly and hard-line sealing issues for the industrial and automotive industries, saving them time, money, and frustration.